Hey, this is Steve from Sparky's Garage. Today I'm getting ready to install, or at least start on installing, the Holley EFI on my 1954 pickup truck. I'm going to go ahead and start off with doing the O2 sensor first. One thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and check any of your exhaust gaskets. I have a couple of collector gaskets that are burned out on my truck. I'm going to go ahead and replace them with some set of copper gaskets from Mr. Gasket. Now one thing you want to do is you want to make sure you find basically the center of your pipe, and you want to go 10 degrees above it. And what this is going to do is keep moisture and condensation from getting on your sensor and damaging it. Once you do that, go ahead and drill a little pilot hole and then jump up to a step bit. Step bit is about the size of a 3/4. I'm going to go underneath the truck and get this started, and then hopefully we'll get this part wrapped up, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the fuel system.
Alright, I got my exhaust loose. You can see I got my mounting plate right here. I went ahead and used this as a template. Found the center of the pipe and then kind of just rolled it up a little bit. Made sure I had plenty of clearance for my O2 sensor. And took a Sharpie and then I drew inside the center of the hole. And you can see here is my black dot where I'm going to be drilling. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with basically just a little pilot hole. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump up to a step bit. And then again, we're going to drill the hole out to 3/4. And then we'll go ahead and put the gasket on this, clamp it down, and then go ahead and install the O2 sensor. We'll take our plate here, check to make sure. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a file. I'm gonna run a file over the top of this to make sure there's no burrs on there. Okay, you can see I got the clamps put on that come supplied in the kit. You can see there's the gasket, then I got the adapter plate, and then I got the hole lined up with the hole that we drilled. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten down the clamps. You wanna go ahead and tighten these down evenly. So I'm gonna tighten down a little bit on one side, and then I'll jump over to the other one, and then make sure both are secured all the way down. Alright, now that we got that tightened down, I'm going to go ahead and take the O2 sensor, take the cap off, the protector cap, just make sure the hole is lined up, and it is. We'll go ahead and start by putting the O2 sensor in now.
Alright, we just finished up the O2 sensor install for the Sniper EFI. We'll be putting it on this truck. You can definitely do this at home. I'm doing it here on a set of jack stands. So be sure to check out the next video. We're going to tackle the fuel system for the Sniper EFI.